The main big question is, how do I stay consistent in my coding whenever if it's a project or I'm trying to learn to code? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you different tips on how I became consistent when learning to code and building projects. So enough talk, let's get right into this video. Okay, cool. So I'm on my Visual Studio Code and this is what I have been calculating. So I use this app called Time. So if I stay consistent in my coding, let me just log in real quick. So in my dashboard, there is a statistic data of how many minutes of code have been written. This is important to note that it's good to reflect and check how many time that you have written of languages. So this is a statistic data showing that how many days that I've stayed committed. Consistency doesn't only mean code every single day, but it's that you're more dedicated into your coding program, into your project as well. And as you can see, these are all the languages that you could use when you're coding. So, for example, if you're using a front end language, you'll be using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. As for a backend, you would be, of course, showcasing a statistic data of Python and many more backend languages, PHP, Laravel, other frameworks. And also, it is important to note that all of these editors that you have been using and the operating systems, so that it shows that you're using a device. So right now, this is an operating systems of Windows that I've been using. And yeah, and also you could show lots of projects that you've been working with. So for example, one of them is a workout app, one of them is a portfolio page I've made. So I of course I stay dedicated into it. So this is how you become more consistent and showcasing all of your statistical data by using this app called Archetype. I'll leave a link to my description to check it out. It's a really good app, good website to use. Additionally, it's not just about you programming every day or just coding, but it's important to note that once you're a beginner, you would be able to watch tutorial videos and writing notes along the way to understand that you're following the progress, so that it can be more useful and would take you a lot of information and grab ups. So, for example, if you're learning a front end language in HTML, so you would watch a crash course on HTML find to understand the basic fundamentals and logic in it. And once you are more confident, really confident, then you move on to a next language. Other people started to overcomplicate things and overthink, which isn't a good suggestion for me to use, but always have a clear structure and not just always rely on all of the languages at once. So, for example, at the beginning, I used to struggle coding. For example, I struggled to learn front end language. I had a mentor with me who helped me everything, which I'm going to talk about my next tip. So, one mentor helped me, and everything just clicked straight away. And additionally, if you're fun self-taught developer, self-taught developer who wanted to learn a language or a just in general programming and want to get into a tech job, then you would of course follow a structured roadmap for you to understand, so you won't feel lost or isolated. Well, speaking of being isolated, if you're alone in your room and you watch my videos and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Please make sure to hit a like and subscribe, turn your notification bell so you don't miss a video. Let's continue back to the video. Well, and so the main important thing is 2. Hire a mentor. A mentor can help you build and improve your coding projects so that you can become more consistent, and most importantly, it will give you feedback on what where to improve on. So feedback is very important for your coding journey, and for me personally, I would always use a mentor with me to learn something new and to help me build and level up my skills. So why not hire a mentor? Hire someone that is more experienced. Go on Discord servers, network with someone, especially on apps like LinkedIn and Discord. Join different servers and ask questions about more about the information. Not just be alone, isolated, and learning yourself. You need to be more proactive and how you be able to answer, ask and answer. So most importantly, I recommend for you is to hire a mentor to help you build your skill sets in front end development and becoming more consistent in coding. I'm going to end off this video here. This is my quick short video of me how to become more consistent. I'll make more videos like this in the future, and we'll keep you guys updated in my next video. So take care, have a good day. I'm out.